We've got most things done. Well, other than finding out that my nuts literally don't work, which is a problem for later. And now we got to clock into work. So we got $150,000 on Japan money line minus 120, and we're gonna make $100,000. What made you say Japan?
Because you can take a poop anywhere, anytime.
My God, that was such a penalty! Bar!
That was close. We look like the better team. 0-0 though now. Now this is where it kind of gets a little sweaty because if they tie, we can lose.